Ladies and gentlemen, let's embark on a friendly and informal journey through the exciting world of natural language processing NLP. Imagine we're sitting on a porch sipping lemonade and having a casual conversation about this amazing technology. Part one. What's the buzz about NLP? Hey there. Have you ever chatted with a voice assistant like Siri or Alexa, or used auto suggestions when typing a text message? That's natural language processing, or NLP in action. It's like teaching your computer to understand and talk to you like a friend. So, what is NLP exactly? Well, think of it as the magic that makes it possible for computers to understand and work with human language. It's like giving your computer the ability to read, write, and speak in your language just like you do. Part two. How does NLP work? Imagine you have a super smart friend who's multilingual and can effortlessly translate between different languages. NLP works in a similar way, but it's not a person. It's a set of algorithms and tools. Here's the basic process. Step one, text input. You start with some text. It can be anything from a simple sentence to a massive book. Just like if your friend needs some words to translate, you provide the text to NLP. Step two, tokenization. This is like your friend breaking down sentences into individual words to understand them better. NLP dissects the text into smaller chunks, like words or phrases, making it easier to work with. Step three, language recognition. Your multilingual friend knows which languages they understand. NLP does the same, but with a twist. It can recognize not just languages, but also sentiments. It can tell if a text is positive, negative, or neutral. Step four, entity recognition. Imagine your friend can spot names, places, and dates in a conversation. NLP do that too. It identifies and categorizes entities in the text like names, locations, dates, and more. Step five, sentiment analysis. Just like your friend can tell if a conversation is happy or sad, NLP can analyze the sentiment in a text. It figures out whether the text expresses positive, negative, or neutral emotions. Step six, language generation. Your friend can craft sentences in different languages. NLP can generate text as well, making it handy for things like chatbots and automated content creation. Part three, where do we see NLP in action? Now that you have an idea of how NLP works, let's explore where it's making our lives better, sometimes without us even realizing it. One, virtual assistants, or talk to Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant. I use NLP to understand your voice commands, answer questions, and assist you. It's like having a digital friend who listens and helps. Two, autocorrect and predictive text. When you're typing a message, NLP is at work suggesting the next word you might want to type. And it's like having a super smart texting buddy who knows what you're going to say next. Three, translation tools. Or use Google Translate. It's NLP at its finest, translating languages on the fly. It's like having a language guru who can help you communicate with people from all over the world. Four, search engines. When you search for something on the internet, like best pizza near me, NLP helps search engines understand your query and fetch relevant results. It's like having a personal librarian who finds the best answers to your questions. Five, social media and content recommendations. Social media platforms like Facebook and content providers like Netflix use NLP to recommend posts or shows that you're likely to enjoy. It's like having a friend who knows your taste and suggests the best content for you. Six, spam filters. Has ever wondered how your email manages to filter out spam messages? NLP helps identify patterns in emails that look like spam and moves them to the spam folder. It's like having an email bouncer who keeps the unwanted stuff out. Part four, challenges and quirks. NLP is impressive, but it's not without its quirks and challenges. Sarcasm and humor. NLP doesn't always get jokes or sarcasm. It's like having a friend who sometimes takes things too seriously. Context. Sometimes NLP struggles to understand context. It's like your friend overhearing a snippet of your conversation and not grasping the whole story. Language variations. Different people use language in various ways. NLP can have trouble with regional accents, slang, and dialects. It's like having a friend who's not familiar with your local lingo. Bias. NLP can inherit bias from the data it's trained on. It's like your friend having certain biases from their upbringing. This is a challenge that we're actively working to address. Privacy concerns. NLP can analyze text, which sometimes contains personal or sensitive information. Just like you trust your friend not to share your secrets, we need to ensure NLP respects privacy. Part 5. The future of NLP. The future of NLP is incredibly exciting. Here's a glimpse of what's on the horizon. 1. Better understanding. NLP will become even better at understanding nuances in human language. It's like having a friend who understands your every word and responds with empathy. 2. Multilingual mastery. NLP will continue to improve its multilingual skills. It's like your friend becoming fluent in even more languages, making them an even better translator. 3. Accessibility will make NLP more accessible to people with disabilities. It's like ensuring that everyone can have a friendly chat regardless of their abilities. 4. Ethical AI. We're committed to making NLP more ethical and responsible. It's like teaching your friend to be fair, unbiased, and considerate. 5. Creative assistance. NLP will help content creators, writers, and artists with their work. It's like having a muse who provides inspiration and support. Part 6. Wrapping it up, NLP is like having a multilingual, empathetic friend who can understand and respond to words in a snap. It's the magic behind virtual assistants, search engines, and even auto suggestions when you're texting. As we move forward, we're working on improving NLP to understand and respect your words even better. So next time you're chatting with Siri or Alexa or getting that spot on predictive text suggestion, remember that you're experiencing the friendly magic of natural language processing. So if you have more questions or want to explore specific aspects further, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to make the world of technology as friendly and accessible as possible. Cheers to the fascinating world of NLP.